Hi, welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Sonal Sharma and I'm working as functional consultant with BISP Solutions. In today's video, we are going to cover how to add attachments, comments, or questions while doing reconciliations in ARCS application. So let's start. Here we can firstly understand that what things can be done by which user. Here, the preparer is the one who need to give explanation on the reconciliation part. Okay, what preparers do is he used to reconcile the items. He used to give balance explanation. He can attach the files here for the explanation and also add the comments. Uh, the question is arises. I'll take you to the application here. That first of all, we need to understand how to provide the questions, how to give questions. For that, I am showing you that the administrator has power to raise questions on any particular reconciliation through format. So we should go to format first, and in the format, uh, there is a particular tab for questions. Okay, I'll show you here. Suppose we'll take any format here like assets. Okay, that is this fixed asset we are taking. So in the fixed asset part, when we are looking at the format, that there is details or properties given for this particular format, like fixed assets and which method it is using and what are the columns should be there, how balance summary looks like. Here you can see there is a particular tab given that provides the questions. Here the administrator want to provide any questions related to this particular format, as this format is going to be attached with the profile and that profile is going to be used while doing the reconciliation or transaction matching. So that particular reconciliation, if you want to provide any questions here, you can provide it from this format editing button. Okay, so here you can see in the question, you need to define that for whom you are defining that questions and from whom you want the answer of these questions. You can ask question here. This is the list of already created questions. The type of answer you are expecting, like yes, no, or in which form you want attachment here or not. So this is what the questions can be asked by the administrator. I can show you one question addition here, that how you are going. Suppose this is the fixed asset format, and if I want to ask question from the preparer, here you can see this is the role to whom you want to ask this question. Okay, so I want to ask this question from preparer in the form of yes and no. And what is my question is, my question is that did you attached physical audit report here, physical audit report. Okay, so this is my question I provided here, and I want answer in yes or no from form and from the preparer. And this is a required question, means the preparer has to answer this question. Only then he is able to submit the reconciliation. So this is the question I asked. Here you can see that did you attach the physical audit report here. So this is how you can create a you can ask questions while creating a reconciliation. Okay, save and close. So now whenever I am attaching this particular format with any of the profile which is related to fixed asset, then it is asking these questions from the preparer. So this is done for the asking question. Now moving to the attachment or comment section. So attachment is basically can be given by the preparer only. Reason behind, he is the person who need to give explanation on any of the reconciliation or questions. So for that reason, he is the person who can attach the file. But yes, administrator, preparer, or the reviewer, or even the other person like commentator or viewer, viewer are not allowed to do anything. But yes, commentator, these are the people who can give comments or see comments. Okay, so from where you can see the comments. Suppose I am taking this reconciliation, created reconciliation. So this is the reconciliation, you can see from here, you can see the comments. Okay, the comments already given, already attached to this particular reconciliation, or you can create any comment or give any comment, add any comment related to this reconciliation. This is in the administrator part. So here you can provide any comments, or you can attach anything if you want to add it here. Okay, so this is the way how to attach comments or give attachments. I will also show you how to attach files or give attachments from the view of the preparer, as this is the role assigned to the preparer. So I am logging in with the user ID and password of a preparer. Preparer is basically the person who is going to give explanation on the created reconciliation by the administrator. So here in this part, in the reconciliation list, you can see that suppose I want to see the reconciliation of any particular period, you can see like I should add some more period here. Reason behind I am unable to see multiple reconciliation here. Suppose we will take any of the already created reconciliation. I am taking this prepaid expenses. So here, while opening this reconciliation, I can see that in this reconciliation, this is the place where preparer can give attachments or give any comments on this particular reconciliation created. So this is the place, and this is the place through these tabs he can see the attachments, or he can attach. As you can see, there are 3 attachments already added there, or you can also add comments on this particular reconciliation. You can answer the questions also, as we just referred before this attachment, that the administrator asks this sort of questions and preparer need to give answer for these questions. Okay, as you can see. So this is how a preparer or the administrator can ask the questions or give comments, or how the preparer add the attachments for any reconciliation or provide comments on this. So this is it for today's video. Thank you.